Hi guys, so welcome to this new channel that I'm starting off quite for the first time now, and just excuse me if the video is not much stable or the audio doesn't sound good, but yeah, so I'm just trying out this GoPro camera that I just recently got and just trying to understand how the camera works. So right now it is mounted on top of my helmet and I'm wearing a mask. So अभी mask के अंदर से आवाज़ GoPro तक जाता है नहीं जाता है, I'll have to check it out after the video recording is done once I reach home. So basically yeah, so initially I'll just like to welcome you all to this new channel, which is called City Cyclogy, and the motto behind this channel is basically I have recently got this new electric bike or electric bicycle, as you want to say, you would say, right? And being an introvert, I quite rarely go out for a walk or a ride, you know. And since COVID, it has been like an year or more than a year, I would say, that I did not recently get a chance to, you know, hang out quite as much. So I decided to get a camera, and once I start recording, I just keep vlogging to the places that I ride on this cycle. And I'm quite a new YouTuber, if you would like to call me that, but I don't think so, I'm a YouTuber yet. But yeah, this is my first video and I hope you will enjoy this video. So right now I am on the Mira-Bhayandar road, which basically, if I move straight ahead, will be connecting me to the Western Express Highway, which is also commonly known as Kashi-Mira, right? So, and this is a good morning time. So सुबह ये मेरा पहला वीडियो है where I'm just, you know, trying to vlog it out in the early morning hours in a good sunlight. So yeah, I won't be talking too much as this is my first video. I don't know what to say, to be quite honest. So hope you enjoy the video.
Would you come running if I called you and give me a helping hand? Would you come catch me if I fell down towards a bitter end? You wanna talk about it, you couldn't live without me. You know you had your chances over, so just go on. I don't wanna care anymore. There's no more between you and me, so just go. just go on. So just go on and leave. So just go